All right. So recently, I saw that Alibaba released a couple of new AI models that can run on our devices, PC, mobile phones, you name it. I think it's good news in the tech space because unlike before, we had to rely on you know heavy computing infrastructure on the cloud to interact with LLMs because of how expensive or how compute intense they were. But these models, they are intelligent and they take less compute, which makes a lot of sense. So different versions of the Qwen 3.5 has been released, and I think just to be more clear, more explicit, these models can actually be executed on your phone. So your phone, like your iPhone, has the compute power to run this AI model, which is amazing. It reminds me of the prediction from Moore, that's Moore's law, that predicted that over time computers will become less expensive, they'll become cheaper, and they'll become smaller in size. So I think similar things happening here, and we are having AI models small enough to fit into our mobile devices, to our laptops. I think that's great news. So I'll show you quickly how to set this up. So navigate to your store, search for Pocket AI. Pocket AI. Okay. So I have this downloaded already, so just click open. Now, of course I have my setup done, but I'll show you what to do. On the top left, click on this icon, go to models, and I already have 3.5 2B version installed on my phone. But if this is your first time, click on add, go to Hugging Face, and then search for Qwen 3.5 2B. Okay, so I think yes, this one, that's Qwen 3.5 2B. There is a 0.8, but I think my phone can handle 2B. So click that, and once you click that, you see different versions of 3.5 2B, and I will advise you avoid any of these options that have memory tight written on it. So once you see this, you could click on the download icon for whichever version that you would want. I did the second one for my case. So once you click on the download icon, it will begin downloading, and once it's done, you simply go back to chart. You can select the model and have it available for you to interact with. So I have this on my device. To prove that this works, I will switch to offline mode. So we're in airplane mode, so no internet connectivity, but I have an AI model on my iPhone. So maybe we'll ask it to tell me a simple math joke. Now, see how fast it is. It's incredible. Why did the mathematician bring his umbrella? Because he thought the rain was his mathematical problem. Okay, note, this is a classic joke that plays on the spelling of mathematical as a pun on rain. Let's try another math joke. Okay, so as you can see, it does its best to come up with jokes pretty fast, though they are pretty long. I needed one-liner jokes, but that's fine. Maybe if I'm a bit more explicit with my prompts, it will do better. I could say, tell me about Alan Turing. All right, it does this so well, telling me about Alan Turing. So I think it's getting this very correct. So as you can see, AI on your phone, so you don't need to connect to the internet to interact with AI anymore. So in situations of low internet, this becomes very useful if you are in a position where you can't connect to the internet. So